Hey there, welcome back. I'm excited to have you here today. In this video, we are diving into some essential hotel tips and phrases you need to know for smooth travels. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with friends who love to explore. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grandview Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to inquire about booking a room.
Absolutely. For how many nights will you be staying?
I'm planning to stay for 4 nights. Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we have several rooms available. Would you prefer a standard room, a deluxe room, or a suite?
Could you tell me the difference between the rooms?
Certainly. Our standard rooms are cozy with a queen-sized bed and a private bathroom. The deluxe rooms are larger with a city view, and the suites have a separate living area with added amenities.
The deluxe room sounds nice. Does it include a desk? I'll need space to work.
Yes, all deluxe rooms have a work desk and chair.
Perfect. And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel, including in all rooms.
Great, I'll take a deluxe room then. Could you tell me the rate per night?
The deluxe room is $150 per night before taxes and fees.
Thank you. Is breakfast included in the rate?
Yes, a continental breakfast is included. We also offer room service if you prefer breakfast in your room.
I might try that. What time is breakfast served in the restaurant?
Breakfast is served from 7 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. in our main dining area.
Sounds good. What about check-in and check-out times?
Check-in begins at 3 o'clock p.m. and check-out is at 12 p.m. If you need a later check-out, just let us know, and we'll do our best to accommodate.
That's helpful. Can I make the payment now?
Yes, you can pay now or upon check-in. We'll need a credit card to confirm the reservation, though.
I'll pay now with my credit card. Will you need my ID as well?
Yes, if you don't mind. We'll just take a quick look for verification.
Here's my card and ID.
Thank you. Your reservations is now confirmed for 4 nights in a deluxe room. We're all set.
Great. Thank you. Do you offer airport transfers by any chance?
Yes, we do have a shuttle service to and from the airport. Would you like to schedule a pickup?
Yes, I'll be arriving at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Noted. Our shuttle will be there to pick you up.
That's a relief. I'm also wondering if there's a fitness center in the hotel.
Yes, we have a fitness center on the 3rd floor, open 24/7.
Perfect. I like to exercise in the mornings. Do you also have a swimming pool?
Yes, we do. The pool is on the rooftop and is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Amazing. I'll definitely check it out. Can I also ask if you offer laundry services?
Absolutely. We have same-day laundry and dry cleaning services available.
That's convenient. Where do I drop off my laundry?
You can place your laundry in the bag provided in your room, and housekeeping will pick it up.
Wonderful. Are there any nearby restaurants you'd recommend for dinner?
Yes, we have several fantastic options nearby. Our concierge can help with reservations and recommendations.
Excellent. I might want to explore a bit. Also, is there a business center here?
Yes, our business center is located next to the lobby. It has computers, a printer, and other office essentials.
That's perfect. I may need to print a few documents during my stay. Is there a charge for using the business center?
Printing is complimentary for up to 10 pages. Beyond that, there's a small fee per page.
Good to know. Also, do you offer any guided tours of the city?
Yes, we can arrange city tours for you. We have options for walking tours, bus tours, and even boat tours along the river. The concierge can assist with booking and details.
I'd love to go on a river tour. Is it possible to book that in advance?
Absolutely. Just let us know the date and time you prefer, and we'll handle the arrangements.
I'll think about that. And just out of curiosity, does the hotel host any events or activities for guests?
Yes, we often have evening events, like live music in the lounge on Fridays and a wine tasting every Saturday evening. You'll find a schedule of events in your room.
That sounds fun. I'll check it out. Speaking of the lounge, is there a dress code?
Our lounge is casual, but we do ask guests to dress neatly. It's a relaxing atmosphere with beautiful city views.
Great. I'll be sure to stop by. Do you also have room service?
Yes, we offer 24-hour room service. The menu will be in your room, and you can place orders anytime.
Perfect. Sometimes I like to relax with a meal in my room. By the way, Is the minibar included in the room rate?
The minibar items are not included. They're charged separately based on what you consume. A price list is provided in each room.
Thanks for clarifying. And if I need more water or coffee, can I request it?
Of course, just call our front desk or housekeeping and they'll bring up more supplies.
Excellent. I also might need some extra towels. Can I request those as well?
Absolutely. Just let us know, and we'll make sure you have everything you need.
You're making this stay sound better and better. One more thing, do you provide toiletries like shampoo and soap in the rooms?
Yes, each room is stocked with complimentary toiletries, including shampoo, conditioner, soap, and lotion. If you need more, just call, and we'll bring additional supplies.
That's helpful. And is there a safe in the room where I can store valuables?
Yes, each room has a secure safe for storing your personal items and valuables.
Fantastic. I'll feel more at ease leaving things in the room. Do you also offer wake-up calls?
Yes, we do. Just let us know the time, and we'll arrange a wake-up call for you.
Perfect. I think I'll need one around 6:30 a.m. on the day I check out.
Noted. We'll have a wake-up call for you at 6:30 a.m. on your departure day.
Thank you so much. This is very organized. By the way, what's the best way to get around the city from here?
We're centrally located, so you have several options. You can walk to many attractions, take a taxi, or use the metro. There's a station nearby.
I prefer public transport. Is there a map available?
Yes, we have complimentary city maps at the front desk. We can mark any points of interest for you as well.
Perfect. That will be really useful. One last thing, in case I have guests visit me, are they allowed to come up to my room?
Yes, of course. For security reasons, we just ask it that you inform the front desk if you have guests visiting after 10 p.m.
That's completely understandable. Thank you for all this information. So helpful.
It's our pleasure. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Not at the moment. I think you've covered everything. I'm really looking forward to my stay.
Wonderful. We're looking forward to welcoming you. If you think of any other requests, feel free to call the front desk.
Will do. Thanks again.
You're very welcome. Have a safe journey, and we'll see you soon at the Grandview Hotel.
I appreciate it. I'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope these hotel tips and phrases help make your next stay easier and more enjoyable. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and language guides. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.